worked for FedEx for 24 years.
I love my job.
I could greet customers in about 6 languages. Thank you. Shishi.
I'm 81. I like what I do here. It keeps me young.
FedEx est notre messager, oui, voilà, il apporte le pain.
He's been called the king, pop star, mad inventor, and romantic philosopher of the design world.
Introducing Let's Bring Back. Let's bring back a world of romantic train travel, of steamer trunks, necessaires, and beautiful train stations with vaulted ceilings.
They tried to make me go to rehab, but I said no, no, no.
It's Fashion Week, and Greg is launching his incredible collection, which is this magical confection of deconstructed military, but I'm going to let him describe it.
The #1 team in the world continues on cruise control.
We love our champions. We love them and adore them when they're gracious, when they're humble. Very classy.
Misty made cut. Yes! The Americans have won the gold medal.
They just cannot be beaten.
It's almost unfair.
This is CNN.
And you're watching the Chic Report.
And this is my story.
And they're off in the Kentucky Derby.
When I'm having lunch, I worry about what am I going to have for dinner.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Are cats colorblind?
Go!
The little boy who played Juanito in The Black Scorpion reminded me of a young Jim Carrey.
Is my makeup running?